Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I am going to share a solution. I have posted four queries in groups 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a reputed company. I don't want to reveal in social media. Right. So here I'm going to share a screen and solution. So I request everyone, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. For every video from now onwards, I should get 1000 views for that within 1 month. Share with your friends because we don't know. Suppose if they go to the interview, if they face the same problem, then how they can answer, how they get the job. For that reason, you share them if it is possible. If it gets, then they will be higher and they will tell thanks to you for sharing this query. Right. I'm requesting everyone, please do it. Now I'm sharing the screen. It's so simple. There is no, but you have to watch till end. Then only you can able to understand. Else you will not able to understand. All right. See, here is the query. All are simple queries. It's not at all any logic or magic. All are very, 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 very simple queries. Okay. Already so many guys have solved this. Then also I'm showing for other guys which who have not solved this query. Now I will show you what is the query. Count employees who is facing issues. So you have to give output that is 3 because here condition is countif only. Condition is like this. Okay. There is a blanks, there is different issues. One is system failure, server down, power cut, like that. Okay, so you have to find it out. It's very simple. Countif. Okay, I'll zoom a little bit. Countif, select the range. It's very simple. Comma, just use this one. Not equal to. That's it. That's it. Means we are telling the function that pick up and count those things which is not having any blank. Okay, which is not having any blank. Let's see it's working or not. Yes, 3. It's very simple, right? Now, coming to this one. You have to find the appointment as per date and month in color cell. It's also very easy. No need to worry. All, first thing, observe guys, all are in 1 year only. That is 2024 only. All years. There is no change of years. They have changed only date and month. Remaining year is same. So observe that one. All right. So here I will do that formula. First of all, what I'll do, date of 2024, because all are same, comma, month. Okay, month of this. Okay, I'll remove this one, the color one. You can able to understand now. Is equal to, you can view properly. Date of year, same year. Okay, 2024. No need to worry. Month is 6 month, comma, year is this one. So day is this one. Yes, day is this one. Okay, that's it. So easily you can see that June 26th, 2024, F9. It is a general format, so it's showing this serial number. Actually, it is June 26th, 2024. Now, easily you can use VLOOKUP here. That's it. No need to worry. VLOOKUP. We look up of this date, comma, select the range. Here what happened means, here what they did means I'll tell you, comma 2, comma 0. Here the company was did the format cell. Okay, they have formatted the date like this. Okay, first of all, I'll press enter and I will show you. This is outing with team. Outing with team, where it is. Yes, here it is, 26 June. You have to observe here, see, 26 June 2024. They wantedly have given like this. Okay, you have to think in that way. Right, understand? First of all, if they give the query, you have to click on that cell, then see in the address bar, not address bar, formula bar. Then you can have able to understand that it is normal function, a normal date or any formatted date. Understood? Now, coming to ninth one. Okay, we'll do ninth one. It's also very easy. 99% people have done this one. Okay. 99% people have done this one. See how I'll do here. Simple. Date of, same date of year, year this one. And now coming to month. We have to change the month, right? So, comma, July. And day will be this one. That's it. Okay. F2, sorry. Here I have to use like this. Month of 1 ampersand. Minimum, actually, you have to, why I'm using 1? Okay, first thing you have to understand. Why not other numbers? See, every month will not have equal days. February will may have 28 and 29. Some months have 30, 31. But one is occurred in every month. For that reason, you have to use 1, not other number other than 1. Okay, for that reason, I'm using 1. You can use 10, 12, but in some months, it will be vary from 29, 31, 30 for that reason. You can use still 30 only, not sorry, 28 only. Okay, close parenthesis, enters. Now done. Control D. You have to do format cell. Now go to format cell or else here it is format cell. Select one. That's it. Done. This one also over. Now coming to 10th one. Everyone is getting confused over here. I am telling the top one should appoint as the TL and top two should appoint as a quality analysis. This is the thing. So who did when the person did maximum tenure, it means whenever he joined the company, still now he is working in the same company, in the same position, having maximum uh, tenure. Okay. So you have to pick up top one and top two. So here I'm going to show you that one is equal to, first of all, what you have to do means you have to pick up the large. Large today minus of these days. F4. I'm locking everywhere. F4. Comma. And K will be, you have to use this one. So many times I have explained you this one, guys. Rows of F dollar 45. The function we are writing is in F45. Colon F45. F45. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay. We'll give the serial number like this. Okay. It will, including month, date, everything. Okay. So it's a maximum days, not years and months. Maximum days. This is maximum days. Okay. Not month and years. So here I press F1. Here I will use match of this thing. I'll copy this whole thing. This whole thing. Okay. till here only. The lookup value I'm copying, control C, comma, it will be lookup array, control V. Okay, now you have to remove this one, the today function. Oh, I have removed again. I'll do 1 second, comma, today of, minus this thing. Okay, F4. And the match type is 0, exact match. F9, it will give you 3, no need to worry, it's giving only the position. So we have to use here, we have to use index. If anybody wants to me to explain this, I'm ready. I think everyone will understand this one. I hope so. If they want, they can comment me in this video description so that I can explain you deeply. And one thing, it's an array function. 2010, you have to still 2010. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. Then only it will work. Else it will not work. It's array function. I'm using 365. For that reason, I'm directly using Enter. Rudra appointed as a TL because his tenure is maximum still now, other compared to other employees. And Shakti is the second, so he has to appoint as a quality analysis. Got it? And if at all, if you want more explanation in this video, please mention the video description, and I'm mentioning my Telegram group link in this video. So I request if anybody wants, you can join there and ask me doubts over there. And so many Excel legends are there in that group. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.